Okay guys, ever spent way too much time building a footer navigation that actually looks organized instead of just a messy pile of links? Yeah, most footers just end up feeling cluttered and confusing. Well, this section fixes that instantly. Today we're adding this Footer Nav section to your store, and honestly, it's such a clean way to organize your collections, resources, and company links into neat little columns. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Footer number 14. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchased sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Footer Nav, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. First, let's add a logo. I don't have a ready one right now, so I'll just add the Forbes logo here to show you how it works. After adding the logo, I can also add a link behind it, but since my store isn't live yet, I won't be doing that right now, though you can easily do it yourself. Now let's scroll down, and if you don't want to add a logo, you can add text instead. Let's type Section Kit here. Interesting, even if I remove the logo, Section Kit will still show up as text. I can change its color too, but honestly, the current color already matches my store's theme perfectly. Right below that, there's heading color, size, margin, and letter spacing. After that comes the link colors and sizes for every device. Now let's get to the contact button. I'll change its text to Contact Me. I could add a link here too, but I don't have one ready yet, so I'll skip that for now. There are a lot more options below this, which you can adjust based on your own preference, like the section's background color, which is currently white, and the font size too. Once that's done, let's close this and click on the nav column, and its settings open up too. First, let's change its heading to Collections, since that's what I want to showcase here. Right below that, there's a Link 1 label, where I'll add the name of the collection I want to display. And right below that, I'll add the actual link for that collection. You'll edit each link the same way, one by one. Once you're happy with everything, hit save and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.